Tell me all about it. What up? What up? Yo! How's your stream?
That's a nice
Marriage is
MVP you
good.
got there,
Life
Peach.
sucks. Oh shit! I'm goated. Well, I'm sorry life sucks, but I'm glad you guys have each other at the bare minimum, you know? They were talking so much shit the whole match. Did you fuck him up, though? Did you win? Did you win? Like, listen here, little dickie. You almost got beat by 6 healers. Like, you really should not be talking. Yeah, tell him, Riley. Bro, I wish I was there so I could let me beat him up for you. Hi, how's games? Good, Zucker. We won both of the games so far, and we're currently winning this one, so hell yeah. Launch your shift at the flyers, and it will pull them out of the sky. Wait, but won't it just, like, fly out? Like, it won't sink to the floor, will it? Like my ball? My big ball? You're by yourself, Deps.
I know.
Okay.
I usually go left side, but I'm not gonna do it in this game. They're on the Punisher turret. Mag's left, hard left. Peggy heals Whiffy, behind you. I'll just walk down. Oh shit. Mag bubbled himself.
That little tip
Mag
actually
killable?
helps a lot. Like the one to like put shift down and then pull him in. That helps a lot.
Got her.
Holy shit. Oh. Too far, I can't get him. Oh, if he was down, I could! Sorry. Oh, shit. I think Whiffy should have her ult too.
Scarlet on me.
Hate Density 2. Density 2? Oh, is that a new game? Never heard of Density 2.
Scarlet's right side. Oh shit. Can we focus? Good job. Back up.
Oh god. I'm out of there. Oh shit. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming.